Hello, folks, and welcome to your Thursday afternoon WYDOT weather briefing. I'm Dave Weather, meteorologist Mark Huer. Well, it's looking and feeling a little bit more like December and winter out there today. We're going to see cold temperatures and a little bit of some light snow into tonight. Cold for your Friday, mainly light snow across the state, but the northwest mountains could pick up some heavier snow, and some areas of fog and freezing fog will be a threat. Accumulating snow and road impacts on Saturday for I-80. It's a possibility, and we'll talk about that here shortly. For tonight, let's start across the northern and northwestern sections of the state. Up here for the areas along the north and west side of this dashed blue line, some continuing light snow and snow shower activity through the rest of today. A little bit of light snow and snow shower activity tonight as well. And the black ice will be a threat due to cold overnight temperatures, some single digits in teens, and with the warm road surface temperatures from the unseasonably mild weather the last 7 to 10 days. The little bit of light snow is expected to freeze on our road surfaces, and black ice will be a threat. Togety Pass already slick and icy here today. Likewise, US 14 and Powder River Pass, and it will be our mountain passes that'll see the biggest impacts tonight. Possibly Teton Pass as well, but so far today, Teton Pass has been in great shape. As we get into this evening and tonight, let's move into east central and southeastern Wyoming. Some developing light snow, snow shower activity. A trace to maybe a half an inch or an inch in a few spots, just enough to give us a black ice threat as well on much of I-25, much of I-80, and adjacent highways and secondary roads throughout central and southeastern Wyoming. Wind staying light and breezy into and through tonight, so blowing snow not an issue, but do be careful of that black ice threat and the higher elevations of I-80 between Cheyenne and Laramie, and also Laramie and Rawlins could be picking up 1 to 2 to maybe 3 inches of snow tonight. Little bit of some snow shower activity in the southwest and also the northeast. Could see some slick spots, otherwise good travel expected. For your Friday, the bulk of the day is going to hold some light snow and snow shower activity for the majority of the state. Trace to maybe an inch across the lower elevations. Some slick and icy roads continue to be a possibility. Blowing snow, though, not going to be a concern, for we're still going to be looking at some favorable winds with winds staying light to breezy. It'll be the northwest and the southeast corner that'll see the biggest road impacts and potential travel impacts due to our weather on Friday. Some light to moderate snow across the northwestern mountains could develop into 2 to 5 inches on Togety, also Teton Pass, and potentially through the western valleys as well. Then from about Wheatland on south on I-25 and the summit east on I-80 on out to the Nebraska state line, going to have to watch out for the possibility of afternoon and evening freezing fog and fog. Some of it could be quite dense, and it's going to be due to weak upslope east to southeast winds developing. So be on the watch out for potential fog in the southeast late Friday and Friday night. Otherwise, weather conditions pretty quiet for the day tomorrow. Now, Saturday, we're going to stretch it out a little bit further than normal here today because I want to bring up the potential of accumulating snow and some road impacts all along the I-80 stretch and also along central and southern sections of I-25 on Saturday. Lower elevations in the shaded area might be picking up 2 to 4 to potentially 5 inches of snow if things pan out as they possibly could, with a chance of 6+ inches of snow in the mountains, especially the Snowies and Sierra Madres, possibly the higher elevations of I-80 as well, between Laramie and Rawlins, and also Cheyenne and Laramie could be looking at possibly 6 inches of snow. Likewise, the northern side of the Uintas, the Laramie Valley, portions of the Shirley Basin, and also Highway 34 may pick up 5 or 6 inches of snow as well. We're still a ways out from Saturday, but it's something to keep our eye on, and we'll keep you up to date with that, and we'll inform you of what's going on Saturday come tomorrow. Thanks for watching today.